Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Humayun. The title of today's video is MSc Statistics Expected Questions. Actually, that is lecture number 2. I will discuss very important technical and conceptual questions for every written test of statistics. Before starting today's vital lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel, and click the bell icon for the notifications of the next important videos. Let's start. Every student knows the regression model is yi is equal to alpha plus beta xi plus error term. Dear students, today I will tell you what is the distribution of the error term, what is the mean and variance of the error term. Then actually this model is also called OLS model. Then we will discuss the properties of the estimators. I will tell you the mean and variance of intercept, mean and variance of the slope, mean and variance of the dependent variable yi, and the distribution of alpha and beta also. Very important concepts. First of all, I will tell you error term, which is also called disturbance term. Its distribution is normal. A very important question. Its distribution is normal and expectation of error term is equal to 0. Its variance is equal to sigma square, and the covariance, which is expectation of Ej, it is also equal to 0. These are the concepts of the error term. Its distribution is normal, its mean is 0, its variance is sigma square, its covariance is also 0. These are the important concepts. And then the estimators are unbiased. They are consistent. When we increase the sample size, the variance becomes close to 0. These are efficient. And if I talk about the alpha, it is also called beta node. Expectation of A is equal to alpha. This is the property. Unbiased estimator. And variance of A will be equal to s square y dot x into 1 over n plus x bar square over summation x minus x bar whole square. And we know s square y dot x is equal to summation y minus y cap whole square over n minus 2. And we have discussed summation y minus y cap whole square is equal to summation y square minus a summation y minus b summation xy. That the distribution of A is normal, the distribution of intercept is normal, it is unbiased, its variance is equal to this much. A very important concept. Then I will tell you about the slope, beta, which is called the slope. Expectation of B is equal to beta, it is unbiased. Its distribution is also normal. The distribution of error term, distribution of intercept, distribution of slope is normal. Then the variance of B, that is equal to s square y dot x into over summation x minus x bar whole square. Then the next one is our dependent variable, which is y. Expectation of y cap is equal to alpha plus beta x node. And variance of y cap is equal to s square y dot x into 1 over n plus x bar x node minus x bar whole square over summation x minus x bar whole square. These are the important questions for every written test of statistics. We know the regression model and we know alpha, which is also called beta node. It is the intercept and the regression coefficient is beta 1, and the distribution of error term is normal. Its mean is 0, variance is sigma square, and we can also write error term follows normal distribution with 0 mean and variance sigma square, its covariance is 0, distribution is normal, then intercept is unbiased. The properties of the estimators, they are unbiased, they are consistent, they are efficient. The expectation of A is equal to alpha, variance of A given, I have given you the formula, B, expectation of B is equal to beta, variance of B is also given, its distribution is normal, then the dependent variable, its mean and variance. Dear students, I will wait for your comments. Assalamu alaikum.